Welcome to Submitting Draw Requests and Photos by North Oak Investment. Most hard money lenders will send an inspector every time you submit a draw request to verify that the work has been done. This costs the lender money, and they pass the cost on to you in the form of inspection fees. The average is $175 per inspection. North Oak Investment does not send an inspector to verify your draw request. We ask that you take pictures of the work you wish to be reimbursed for and submit them along with your draw reimbursement request. Submitting draw photos requires that you or whoever will be taking the photos have a smartphone. Practically everyone has a smartphone that will take great photos and videos. Using it will save you a considerable amount of money. All draws are based on the draw recap that is updated and sent to you each time you submit a draw. When taking photos to submit with a draw, use the draw recap line item descriptions as your guide. The draw process begins by going to northoakinvestment.com, Client Resources, Draw Request, and Create Draw Request. When you're finished filling out your draw reimbursement request, you will click or tap Submit. This will trigger a text sent to the smartphone of whomever is taking the photos. Tap the link in the text. If this is your first time submitting draw photos, you will be instructed to download and install the free Truepic Vision app. On future photo submissions, tapping the link in the text will open the Truepic app already installed on your phone. Follow the instructions in the Truepic Vision app to begin taking pictures. Take photos of each line item of work that is being submitted for reimbursement. For example, if submitting for line 16, exterior paint full, take pictures of all sides of the home. If only half the exterior has been painted and you want to be reimbursed for half that line item, send photos showing half the exterior painted. The photos you send need to clearly depict a completed or partially completed line item from your draw recap. If a line item only requires one photo, great. If it requires 10 photos to clearly represent a line item, take 10 photos. For example, this photo clearly captures can lights, ceiling fans, and painted walls and trim. This photo shows the same room shot from the opposite corner. You should always take 2 photos of a room from opposite corners to capture the entire room. If you were submitting a draw request that includes full interior painted, you should send 2 pictures from every room or use video and pan around every room. Stand back and take a wide view of the area. This will not only show the items being drawn for, but will give us a better idea of the overall progress of the project. You may consider taking walkthrough videos of the completed work. Walk through the project and pan the camera over the work to be reimbursed for. The Truepic Vision app allows up to 30-second videos. You can capture the equivalent of lots of pictures in a 30-second video clip. If you have multiple projects in progress, please only submit photos or videos of one project at a time. When you are finished taking photos and videos, return to the gallery screen and tap Finish Inspection. Your photos and videos will be uploaded to North Oak Investment for review. If your photos and videos are sufficient, we will process your draw reimbursement. If not, we will send you a text asking for more photos or videos. That concludes submitting draw photos. Thanks for watching. Click on the thumbnails to view some of our other videos. Thanks for visiting North Oak Investment.